In this video, we are going to use Excel to get some very basic descriptive statistics for some variables. I'm using some example here. We wanted to know the mode, the median, the mean of the variable age. The mode, the median, the mean of the variable drinks per month, and the mode, the median, the mean of the variable marijuana use per month. So we do the age first. Go to the data, click data analysis, click descriptive statistics, and in the input range just select age. Remember, we put the label in our selection, so you have to select labels in first row, and also click the summary statistics and click OK. We adjust this one by click home, format, auto fit. Now it shows clearly that in the variable age, the mean is 17.3, the median is 17, the mode is 17. Go back to the data. We do the similar thing to drinks per month. Click data, data analysis, descriptive statistics, click OK. We select drinks per month, label in the first row, and also summary stats, click OK. We adjust this cell, format. So for the drinks per month, the mean is 17.25, the median is 15, the mode is 15. Go back to the data. We do the same thing for the marijuana use. We select data, data analysis, descriptive statistics, click OK, and select marijuana use per month, labels in the first row, and summary stats, click OK, and go to the home, adjust the column. So for marijuana use per month, you can see the mean is 17.5, the median is 15, the mode is 15. That's it.